This podcast is sponsored by Dr. Bennett's Life Mastery Communication and Relationships online course. Discover the secrets to effective communication and build lasting connections. Register today at verversity.com/course/lifemastery1.
Effective classroom engagement activities to boost communication and relationship building. Discover fun classroom engagement activities that enhance communication skills and help build strong interpersonal relationships in any learning environment. Making classroom engagement activities fun and meaningful. Hey there! I was just thinking about the incredible value of classroom engagement activities and how they've grown from the usual sit and listen routine into something that genuinely builds interpersonal skills and sparks curiosity in all kinds of learners. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just someone interested in how we learn, keeping students engaged is a bit like cracking a code. It's all about creating moments where communication skills and effective communication aren't just buzzwords but actual experiences. So let me tell you about some of the coolest ways to bring that energy into classrooms and why it matters. First off, why even bother with engagement? Well, when students participate actively, they don't just memorize facts, they connect with ideas and with each other. Imagine a class where students feel comfortable sharing, asking questions, and even disagreeing respectfully. That's the heart of relationship building, which of course extends beyond the classroom to real-life interactions and future relationships. Okay, here are a few classroom engagement activities that really stand out. Think, pair, share. This is a classic for a reason. It's super simple but powerful. Students first think independently about a question, then discuss their ideas with a partner, and finally share with the whole class. This encourages communication strategies that help shy students open up and also helps everyone practice listening and articulating their thoughts clearly. Role-play scenarios. These are fantastic for teaching everything from history to science. By stepping into different characters or points of view, students develop empathy, a crucial interpersonal skill, plus it turns abstract ideas into something tangible and memorable. Interactive polls and quizzes. Using apps or even hand signals, this keeps energy levels high. Instant feedback makes learners curious to engage more and gives instructors a quick read on the room's understanding. Also, it encourages quick decision-making and effective communication within a group. Beyond just the wow factor, these activities have a more profound impact on students' ability to interact, not just with their assignments, but with people. This is where relationship advice crosses paths with education. Encouraging respectful dialogue and collaboration early on strengthens those essential communication skills we use every day. One thing I've noticed is that when communication is two-way and dynamic, students feel more valued. Instead of just copying notes, they're actually contributing. That's where relationship building starts, with feeling connected and heard. Another favourite game changer is project-based learning combined with peer feedback sessions. When students work together on a project, they naturally practice negotiation, leadership, and effective communication. Then, when they give and receive feedback, it's like a mini-course in constructive criticism and interpersonal sensitivity, skills that last far longer than the project itself. And hey, it's not just about the kids. Teachers benefit too. When a classroom feels alive and buzzing, the vibe changes altogether. It's more of a community than a place where information is just deposited. Strong communication strategies here establish trust, respect, and often a lot of laughter. If you're thinking about ways to integrate more engagement activities or want to improve the quality of communication in your learning environment, you might want to check out the Life Mastery Communication and Relationships course. It's packed with practical tips and insights on enhancing interpersonal skills, effective communication, and relationship building that can transform classrooms and beyond. To wrap it up, simple classroom engagement activities do more than just fill time. They foster the skills that make communication truly effective, and those skills ripple out into every area of life. So if you're someone who deals with groups, no matter the size or age, starting with communication strategies in mind is a total game changer. Thanks for chatting about this with me. If you want to explore these ideas further or get more tools to create meaningful connection and communication in your classroom or even in your everyday life, definitely consider enrolling in the Life Mastery Communication and Relationships course. It's a great way to step up your game in practical relationship building and communication skills. Go ahead and enroll now. You'll see how these lessons go beyond the classroom to improve every conversation you have.